Hey there, beach enthusiasts! It's Monica, your friendly beach aficionado, and I'm super excited to share this incredible beach with you today. Are you ready for a virtual seaside escape? Let's dive in. As I step onto this pristine stretch of sand, I can't help but be enchanted by its sheer beauty. The beach is nestled between majestic cliffs, like nature's protective embrace. The sound of crashing waves echoes through the air, creating a soothing symphony that instantly puts me at ease. The sand here is like fine silk beneath my feet. It's soft and powdery, inviting me to take off my shoes and immerse myself in the ultimate beach experience. The water, oh, it's a mesmerizing shade of blue, sparkling under the radiant sun. It's pure bliss. One of the highlights of this beach is its incredible wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for playful dolphins leaping in and out of the water, their graceful acrobatics a joy to behold. And if you're lucky, you might spot a majestic sea turtle making its way to the shore or an exotic bird swooping down to catch a fish. The beach is also a hub for adventure seekers. From thrilling water sports like surfing and paddleboarding to exhilarating hikes along the cliffs, there's no shortage of excitement here. You can also relax under the shade of swaying palm trees, sipping on a refreshing coconut drink and letting the worries of the world melt away. I can't stress enough how important it is to protect and preserve our beautiful beaches. It's our responsibility to keep them clean and free from pollution, so future generations can experience their magic too. Let's all do our part in being responsible beach lovers. If you're enjoying this virtual beach getaway, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll join our beach-loving community and never miss out on future adventures. Your support means everything to me, and it encourages me to continue exploring and sharing the world's most amazing beaches with you. Remember to click the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Together, let's spread the love for beaches and inspire others to appreciate the wonders of our natural world. Thank you for joining me on this beach exploration. Until our next seaside rendezvous, keep the beach spirit alive, and don't forget to share the love by liking and subscribing. Stay sun-kissed, my friends.